Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohit Biz from Fit India, and in this video I'm going to talk about how often should you train your muscle groups. Like if you should train it once a week or twice a week. And different people have different theories, and I'm not saying what other people follow is wrong, but I'm just going to tell you what I think, what I believe. So what I do is that on Monday I'll do chest, Tuesday I'll do back, Wednesday I'll do shoulders, Thursday I'll do chest again, Friday I'll do biceps and triceps, and Saturday I'll do legs. So this is my training schedule. And for calves, I train calves thrice a week with legs, and 2 other times any day of the week, like maybe with chest and maybe with my arms. I don't take a rigid approach with this with my calves, just 3 times a week. And the thing is that I've been lifting since 3 years, and my some body parts are better developed than other body parts. For example, I'm very satisfied with my shoulder development, with my tricep development, with my back development, but I'm not that satisfied with my calves development, and also with my chest development I'm not that satisfied. You guys must be knowing this if you have seen my training videos. And so the thing is that the idea of an aesthetic physique is that your body should be symmetrical. Your each body part should synchronize with other body parts. So if you have big arms and your legs don't synchronize with it, so you'll not look good. So that's my take on it. So that's why I've been lifting since 3 years, and my body, I believe that my body needs to synchronize better altogether. All right, I know I need to bring my calves up. I know I want to develop my chest a little bit more. So that's why I train my chest twice. I'm doing my calves thrice, but I'm satisfied with my shoulder development. I'm satisfied with my tricep development. So I'm just training them once a week. So that's my approach. And if you have been lifting for 3, 4, or maybe more years, so you'll get me. You'll get what I'm saying. And your body parts which are lagging, you have to train them more than once a week. And your body parts which are better developed, restrict them to once a week. Because if you're training your developed body part twice a week, they'll grow more, and your lagging body parts will stay there, and your body will not look that aesthetic if you keep growing your already developed body part and you're not paying attention to your less developed body parts. So that's my take on it. That's how I do it. And if you want to train your muscle group twice a week, it's good, you can do that, but don't overdo it. For example, if you're doing back and biceps, 3-4 exercises for each muscle group is fine, but it shouldn't be like you're doing 6 exercises for back, then you're doing 6 exercises for biceps. That's too much. I believe that's overtraining. So yeah, that's my take on this. And the majority of people who are following my channel, who have subscribed to my channel, are beginners who have just started to work out. So for you guys, what my opinion for you guys is that train each muscle group once a week. Start with doing once a week. And if you have this thinking that if you train a body part more, it will grow more, no, it's not gonna happen. You have to eat more fucking food. That's the only way you're gonna grow. So eat good nutrition, clean food, eat more food, train hard, do every body part once a week. And once you have done like 1 year, when you're done with 1.5 year of training, you can do you can do each muscle group twice a week. That's fine. I have also done it, but right now I'm doing the way I just told you. So that's my take on it. What other people say, I'm not saying that's wrong, but I just wanted to explain what I think about it. And people who have been lifting for 3-4 years would probably understand what I'm saying, right? You have some better developed body parts, you have some body parts which are not that developed, and for most of the people it's legs. So some people don't want to develop their legs. That's fine by you, it's your body, do whatever you want to do with it. But if you want a well-built aesthetic all over physique, then you need to bring your weaker body parts up. You need to develop them. So that's my take on this, and that's it from this video. I hope I was able to pass on some valuable information to you. And yeah, that's it. Trying to keep it real with you guys, and I want to share whatever knowledge I have, and I'm continuously learning so that I can provide you guys with more fucking knowledge. And that's it. I'm all hyped up for my workout. We'll be training legs today, and I'm going hard. I did the wrong action, sorry. So that's it from this video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Do subscribe to my channel. Please share these videos because they'll benefit other people, you know that. So bye, take care, keep lifting. This is Mohit Best from Fit India. I'll see you in the next video.